Welcome to Kids is Not Your Brother, and today we are unboxing Digitek 12 inches professional LED ring light, and it comes with a tripod stand, guys. Now let's go to it and unbox it. This is the packaging, guys. We brought it from Amazon. And now let's spray the hand sanitizer disinfectant spray to it, guys. At the side it has been cleaned, and now here, guys. And here also it has been cleaned. And now on the left side, guys. Here. Now the down side of what? Yeah, guys, it has been cleaned. Now we are unboxing the tripod stand with the ring light. We are so excited about this thing, guys. This is our first time buying this stand. Oh my god! Dad, now I'm gonna unbox this one from here. Dad, I'm gonna unbox this one. Dad.
There.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Dad, thank you for helping. We are taking the stand out first, guys. Yeah, I'm taking this stand out. Oh my gosh, this is freaking heavy, guys.
So that is tripod stand.
Let's unbox the ring light here. This is so cool.
See, Devaansh.
Dada.
So this is the box.
Oh, Dada.
Brand name is Digitek LED ring light.
Guys, the brand name is Digitek, guys, and it's a LED ring light. It's a combo pack with 5 feet light stand, guys. The model name is
Model number is
DRL
12C.
12C. Okay, guys. Now, that we continue with that.
So this model, the features what they have written here is no shadow aperture and stepless adjustment of light intensity and 25 watts power output, dual color temperature, and illumination is 2250 LM.
Okay, yeah, guys, let's unbox the ring light.
Slowly.
Okay, yeah, let's putting this out there. Yeah, we need to put it out very safely and neatly, guys. I don't see it will break.
So this is the ring light.
Guys, and let's see the user manual, guys.
So this is mobile phone holder,
Yeah, guys, it has been.
and it comes with a wire where we can adjust the brightness.
Yeah, guys, let's go to the stand. Dad, next can you go to the stand?
Now first we'll install the tripod stand.
Yeah.
Guys, in this Digitek tripod, and we'll show how to fix this stand first. First we need to lose this one. So with this we can expand the stand. We can adjust the stand little down, and after that we can tighten the screw, guys.
Mom, just zoom.
So now the stand is adjusted, and after this, in order to expand the length, we need to open the clips. So with this we can increase the length in whatever the height we want.
Dad, go to the max height, Dad.
So this I am fixing on the floor.
Yeah, guys. Mommy, it is so high to low.
So up to this height we can fix.
Is this the max, Dad? Huh? Is this the max?
After this So now I am going back to the shortcut. I am closing this, and now I will show you So this is the ring light, guys. This can be rotated,
Yeah, we need to rotate this there.
and after rotating down we can find a little screw.
Like
This can be fixed on the top of this screw. This we need to rotate to fix the screw. Now it has tightened. Now we have a USB cable for adjusting the brightness and switching on the power. And this USB cable can be fixed with any of our mobile adapters.
Dad, I got my adapter. Dad, let's go to there. There's a power connection, right? Let's move it.
Devaansh, connect there.
Okay, Dad. Dad, I'm plugging it.
It will be here only. You go to there.
How it can fix? No, Dad, it can't be fixed. No, Dad, it is. Okay.
Guys, this ring light can be tilted here and there. What you need to do is just loose this screw so that you can tilt here and there. Okay?
Yeah.
If it is okay, you have to adjust like this. And here we have a mobile holder to fix our mobile phone. This is a mobile holder, guys. It has come along with the ring light. If you want, you can change the directions to any of the mode. So this is how you will record your mobile videos, and with the help of this remote you can change the 3 different modes. Now I am switching on the power button. So this is how you can see the different colors of lights. In order to change the lights, you need to press this button to change the color modes.
Okay, yeah.
If you want to increase the brightness, we have a plus and minus button here. Here you can control your brightness levels. So this is how you can adjust your brightness, guys.
Dad,
So this is about the tripod stand and the ring light. This will be helpful for your video shooting, photo shooting.